The path to profitability for a trader is going to be a simple path or a difficult path depending on when they start trading. Most traders enter trading during bull markets. When a bull market is roaring bull market going on for a long period of time, it attracts a lot more newer traders. And especially near the end of a bull market, you have a lot of people who have made easy money and then they decide to become a trader. Now, once you decide to become a trader, typically, because if you enter during a bull market, the methods which we are using, either whether they are formal methods which you have worked on or just you picked up from someone else, work because everything is working. If you are trading for last 2 months, almost everything was working. So after that, whenever there is a market correction, is when the real test of trading comes in, and that is when you will realize that whether you are going to keep the profit which you made. A lot of traders entered during the COVID-19 time and make a lot of money, and then they ended up giving up the gains. And why does it happen? Because two reasons. One is they don't have a specific method to trade. Second, they don't have a very good understanding of when to trade aggressively and when to be defensive or when to go into cash. So if you are a beginner trader or you are a trader who is still not hit profitability, what are your profitable pathways? Because there are many ways in which traders develop, and you need to choose the path which suits you for your kind of capital which you are trading, the kind of returns which you are looking for, the kind of time commitment which you have for trading, the kind of expertise or personality traits you have. And this is a very important part of becoming a successful trader. Some people are geared towards becoming day traders. They cannot hold risk overnight, and as a result of that, it is better that they focus on becoming a day trader because there are a lot of things which can be done during the day, and you can become a profitable trader by focusing only on intraday trading. Now, intraday trading is a very popular way of trading amongst traders, and every trader at some stage would try out intraday trading, and then they come to a conclusion whether they want to stick to intraday trading. Intraday trading is more intensive, it requires more focus, it is time commitment is required, you need tools which are different than the tools which are used by other traders. So one of your pathways to becoming a profitable trader is day trading. Within day trading, there are various ways in which you can focus. Most popular ways in which day traders make money is to focus on news moves or stocks in place. That is a stock which had a fresh news and that tend to make a big move for that particular day. That is the kind of things which day traders thrive on. The second kind of a day traders are index related, or they trade futures, or they trade S&P or DAX or some of these features. The third type of day trading, which is very popular, is shorting these what are called as pump and dump, or these small cap stocks which tend to make exaggerated moves and then they fade. So shorting pump and dumps is another very popular day trading strategy. Besides that, the conventional ways in which many day traders trade is support and resistance, or trading a basket of popular stocks every day, or having a set list of stocks which they will work on. But most of the good day traders, they invariably focus on a couple of strategies. One is stocks in play, the other one is shorting intraday moves or fading moves. Fading moves is very common in day trading. Now that is one way of trading, extremely popular. There are a lot of day traders, and today you're in a much better situation to learn many of these techniques because so many of the good day traders are very active on Twitter, and as a result of that, the resources which are available for a new trader to learn are much more. But failure rate is also high in day trading because of the time frames are very brutal. So if you don't have the skill, you can lose money very rapidly. The learning curve is much more steeper in day trading. The second kind of a trading, which is very popular and where bulk of the traders are, is a swing trading. And swing trading might be anywhere from 3 days to 3 months kind of a swing. Typically, these kind of traders are trying to not capture an entire trend, but what they're trying to do is capture a slice of a trend. And swing trading methods have been very popularized over long many years once the trading commissions have come down. And most of the methods on swing tradings are in public domain, um, buying breakouts, buying pullbacks, or buying consolidation, or buying on a news event, or episodic pivot, which is like buying earnings breakout. These are all swing trading methods which are very popular. Again, for a new trader who's starting out and who wants to learn, there are a lot of resources today available, and there are a lot of successful methods or successful traders. And it's much easier for you to just copy a method of a successful trader in the beginning and over a period of time develop your own approach. And again, I would say that you look at it today because of the proliferation of social media, YouTube, Twitter, it has become much more easier for a new trader to learn compared to what it was 25 years ago. The third kind of a trading is more position trading, where people try to hold position for a longer period of time, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Now, there is a distinct difference between becoming a day trader and a swing trader. If you want to become a day trader or a swing trader, most of it is based on patterns. It is based on certain anomalies or certain kind of uh, observational patterns, short-term patterns in the market. While if you're looking at doing things based on holding positions for longer term, then you need to have analytical skills. And analysis is very important. Your ability to analyze a particular stock and figure out whether that stock is likely to go up for 2 to 3 years and be right on your analysis is what is most important skill which you need to develop if you want to become a analytical or if you want to become a position trader. And a lot of people want to become position trader, but they don't have the analytical skills or they don't have the analytical tools, databases to make an informed judgment about the stock's prospects. So this is another area where you'll find a lot of traders are there who are trying to do this, and there are many successful examples of traders. And again, this is a pathway which you can follow as a new trader. The fourth pathway is quantitative or automated trading. Again, automated trading is something if you have the skills and aptitude for it. There are softwares available, there are tools available, and most of the things which work also in the automated trading or in the algorithmic kind of a trading nowadays is in a public domain because there are a lot of traders who are also active on Twitter, who are active everywhere, who follow this method of like finding the back testing strategies and based on a back test running a set of portfolios or simultaneously running multiple methods. Now, these are all choices which a trader has at a broader level, and it's no different even if you look at large hedge funds like Citadel will do an intraday trading. They will have holding periods of few seconds to few minutes to hours. They also do trading 3 to 5 days. They also do trading where they hold positions for 1 to 3 months, and they also do tradings which is based on larger holding periods of few years or macro trading as it is called. Now, these are the distinct pathways which are available to a new trader. I would say for most traders, selecting swing trading is a much more easier option, and then you can decide from swing trading whether you want to graduate into day trading or whether you want to hold swings for a slightly longer duration of period. Now, this decision is critical because in the beginning, if you make this decision about what kind of a trader you want to become, then path becomes easier. If you decide to become a day trader, you will have an easier path because then you can quickly only focus on relevant information. Similarly, if you decide to become a swing trader, within swing trading, again, you have decisions to make whether you want to become primarily a pullback trader or become a breakout trader. Then you will find the necessary information and you will focus your effort on that. Position trading, again, position trading, there are distinctive approaches in position trading. Growth investing is one of the distinctive approach in position trading where a lot of people do growth investing. Value investing is another distinctive approach where people are looking for finding stocks which are not very expensive in terms of price to earning ratio or where there is a market has mispriced them. The third kind of a position trading thing which works is turnaround. So these are distinct pathways, and you can decide whether you want to become a growth investor or whether you want to become a value investor or you want to become a turnaround investor. In the case of quantitative trading, again in quantitative trading, there are short-term traders who are just doing intraday moves. Then there are traders who are holding things for 3 to 5 days, and there are traders who hold uh, longer duration trades or what is called as a trend trading kind of approach. And these are distinct approaches. And then once you decide on these approaches, you can find a pathway forward. So if you are a trader and who joined during the bull markets, and if you are struggling, it is better that you sit down at the beginning of the year and commit to a particular style and decide whether that style suits you in terms of your capital commitment, it suits you in terms of your personality traits, whether it suits you in terms of your primary disposition, in terms of whether you are an analytical person or whether you are a pattern based kind of a person. Some people are extremely analytical, and as a result, they can never do a pattern based trading. Some people can never trade a non automated system which has not been back tested, because discretion is not something which is their strong point. So, taking these decisions is the first starting point to becoming a good trader. And once you take that decision, pathways are going to open up. So, decide whether you want to become a swing trader, day trader, position trader, or a mechanical trader, and then within that start focusing on finding your pathway to profitability.